So I started in the photographic industry. Technology changed. I had to reinvent myself. So I went to Unitec and did the Diploma of Landscape Design and loved every minute of it. I just went out on my own and had great success. When I first came onto site, it was very raw. The first thing that was really dominant was the architecture of the house, but also the large rocks. The Garden Design Fest being held this year is a great opportunity for designers and the public to come and have a look at various gardens. Well, the client were very easygoing. Their criteria was ligulieras and hydrangeas. That was what they wanted. Buxus balls, Buxus blocks to balance with the house. For me, the soil condition is really important. I'm always using garden mix when I do the initial installation, and the black mulch, what I've used here is fantastic. Not only do you get to see the gardens, but the money raised is enormous for the charities involved.